Hey everyone, welcome back for week 13 of your PE instruction. This week in class, we are going to be wrapping up our striking with long-handled implements, so our hockey unit. But I'm going to go ahead and give you some different Thanksgiving exercises and activities to do because I have pretty much given you everything that I can as far as allowing you time to practice with striking with your long-handled implement, which for most of you is probably your broom. And so you should have gotten plenty of practice with that. If not, feel free to go back to last week's lesson and do it again and practice some more. If you feel like you have the concept of the skill of striking with the long-handled implement, then you are going to go ahead and do the activities you see this week. And I just labeled it Turkey Fun. So you are going to start out by clicking on the warm-up, and your warm-up is the Would You Rather Thanksgiving. Okay, so you've got to do that. We've done Would You Rather before, where you have two pictures and you're going to pick which picture. So this one says, Would you rather dress up? What would you rather dress up as on Thanksgiving? And so you would either pick the turkey or the pilgrims. And then this timer right up here gives you 8 seconds to decide which one. After you decide which one, right, then you have some type of exercise. Okay, so for this one, here's the exercises based on what I picked, right? You were seeing there was two sets of exercises there. If I picked the turkey, I was gonna do that one exercise. Let's see if I can go back to it right here. So it keeps doing that to me. So anyways, on there, it's going to give me two exercises to do based on what I chose. And then it will take you to another choice that you have of would you rather, and it has to do with Thanksgiving. After you do that, the next activity you're going to do is you're going to create a hand turkey. So on this one, right, it's kind of like would you rather, but it's called this or that. So you are going to pick, see if I can kind of, so create a hand turkey. So you're actually going to make a hand turkey as you go through this, right? Pick a design, do the exercise, and then draw it. So I'll kind of just do the first one with you. So I'm going to pick which body you like better and perform the exercise when it appears. So I'm going to pick which one I like better. And then based on which hand I liked better, I'm either going to do side to side lunges or I'm going to do jumping jacks. And you're going to do that for 30 seconds. And you can see you've got your timer here. And then after the timer, when you're done doing your exercise, you are then going to draw. So it's going to give you 30 seconds to draw the hand, either this hand for your turkey to be the body or this hand. So that activity gives you a chance to make some decisions and get some exercise as well as work on your drawings. And then the last thing you're going to do is turkey fitness with yo-yo. And basically we have done I think it was for Halloween, done an activity with Yo-Yo where she led us through some Halloween exercises. And so this time she has created some Thanksgiving fun exercises for you to do. So you are going to complete those three activities today for your kindergarten, or sorry, for your PE lesson this week. So have a little bit of fun, do some different kind of stuff, incorporating some drawing, some fitness, exercising. The biggest thing is make sure you are getting up and moving right? So hopefully you have fun with that, and I look forward to seeing you again next week with more Thanksgiving fun. Have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your week.